Yo, listen, I swear, I should have an unboxing shoe YouTube channel. The way I get in shoes, all right? We got an unboxing. And you might know what this is already, being that it's the Jordan 1 box. Let's take off the top. Just to let you guys know, I got this from StockX. Yeah. Yeah, these boys is nice. Yeah. I got them. I had to pull the trigger. I had to. StockX tags for verification. I really just want to put these on right now, but I can't. But today in this video, you guys watch this video, continue to learn, continue to be inspired, continue to be a student of the game. Okay? Because that's what I do every day, man. I'm a student of the game. I stay learning, I stay doing my research, stay watching other people to get better at my craft. You know what I mean? So it's your boy 360 Jeezy. Stay tuned. Okay, before I get out of here though, this is how it looks when I distress them. Yeah, the paint comes off when you rub it with alcohol. But this is my little distress look. Tell me what you guys think. Now stay tuned. Alright you guys, so just like with every haircut, you want to make sure that you pick the hair out first and brush the hair down. The reason why you want everything to be picked out is because you don't want your client going home later on picking out his hair and everything is uneven. So you want to make sure everything is picked out and brushed down. That way you can, even everything up and make sure the cut is nice and neat. So I normally start on the sides and show you guys how to do the taper, but instead I want to show you guys how to do the back first. I'm going to set in my bald line using my Babyliss Gold FX trimmers, and I'm going to set it straight across. Using my Babyliss Gold FX with the lever open, I'm going up about 1 inch and I'm making sure that it's consistent and also brushing the hair down as I go along. Putting on the one guard with the lever open, I'm going up about 1 inch, but this time I'm maintaining a flick out motion. The reason why I'm flicking out is that so the hair can blend nicely into the afro. Using the zero guard closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Now what you want to do is start below the line and flick to the line. Do not start to the line and flick above the line, because that way you're going to bring the fade higher. With the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Same thing, start below the line and flick to the line. So right now I'm gonna freehand with the lever closed, and I'm just gonna scoop up and out, shaping the bottom into the afro. So for the sides, it's the same steps, just different technique. Right now I'm setting in my bald line in a rainbow-like shape. With the lever open, going up about 1 inch, making sure I use my corners as much as possible. Leaving the lineup part lower, not really going up that full inch because I want to keep that part darker. With the one guard open, going up about 1 inch, making sure I flick out and not dig in to the Afro. With the zero guard closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. And it really is a flick out motion if you guys are paying attention to the technique. It's starting below the line and flicking to the line. So in some cases the zero guard doesn't work, so I go in with my lever open to flick the rest out. With the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Right here I'm just doing some detail work, cleaning up that bulk at the top with the one guard, just making sure that I clean up as much as possible. And lastly, freehanding with the lever closed, shaping the bottom into the top. So right now I'm gonna shape the Afro. I'm gonna start at the bottom and work my way to the top. So it's better to start from the bottom and work your way to the top because your arm, if you swing your arm in a circular motion and work your way to the top, you'll get a better round shape than moving side to side or vertical or anything like that. It's better to go down and up. So I like to spray hairspray on my client's lineup all the way around. That way the hair will harden and it'll make for a better crisp line. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to know how to book me, I'm on Booksy as 360 Jeezy, slight bars, alright? If you guys want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, please check out the links in the description below. Also, HustleDreamProduction. Go follow my brother, he does all my beats. His link will be in the description below as well. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360 Jeezy. But it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Cheers!